Welcome to Motor Mania, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a sedan that blends luxury, technology, and performance into a near-perfect package. The E-Class has always been a benchmark in the executive sedan segment, and the latest model takes things even further with cutting-edge innovations and refined design. The exterior of the 2025 E-Class reflects a modern yet elegant approach. The signature front grille is more streamlined, integrating seamlessly with the newly designed LED headlights that feature digital light technology for enhanced illumination. The body lines are smoother, giving the car an aerodynamic and sophisticated look, while the flush door handles and updated rear LED taillights add a touch of contemporary style. The overall design balances sportiness and class, making it appealing to both traditional luxury car enthusiasts and those seeking a modern executive sedan. Step inside, and the cabin is where the E-Class truly shines. The 2025 model features a next-generation MBUX superscreen that extends across the dashboard, providing a seamless digital interface for the driver and passengers. The high-resolution display offers intuitive controls, and the latest AI-powered system learns driver preferences to create a personalized experience. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors, premium leather upholstery, and open-pore wood trims elevate the luxurious feel. The seats are designed for maximum comfort with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available for both front and rear passengers. A new Burmester 4D surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience, making long drives more enjoyable. Technology is at the heart of the E-Class, with significant upgrades in connectivity and driver assistance features. The updated MBUX system includes a more advanced voice assistant and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains up to date with the latest enhancements. The car is also equipped with a 5G modem for faster data transmission, allowing for real-time navigation updates and improved vehicle-to-infrastructure communication. A new feature in the 2025 model is the digital key, which lets drivers unlock and start the car using their smartphone or smartwatch. Safety has always been a priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 E-Class continues to push boundaries with its intelligent driver assistance systems. The adaptive cruise control with active lane keeping assist ensures a smooth driving experience on highways, while the automatic emergency braking and evasive steering assist add extra layers of protection. A new attention monitoring system uses facial recognition to detect signs of driver fatigue and suggest brakes when needed. The latest version of the active parking assist makes parking in tight spaces effortless with its 360-degree camera system and automated steering adjustments. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers a range of powertrains, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an integrated 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering improved fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. For those seeking more power, a turbocharged inline-six engine is available, providing a refined yet dynamic driving experience. The plug-in hybrid variant boasts an extended electric range, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers who want the flexibility of both electric and gasoline power. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system enhances stability and traction in various driving conditions. Driving dynamics have been fine-tuned for a balance between comfort and performance. The adaptive air suspension provides a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining precise handling. The rear axle steering system, available in higher trims, improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at higher speeds. The driving modes allow customization of the throttle response, steering feel, and suspension settings, giving drivers full control over their driving experience. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the E-Class delivers a refined and engaging ride. Mercedes-Benz has also focused on sustainability with the 2025 E-Class, incorporating more eco-friendly materials in the interior and optimizing aerodynamics to enhance fuel efficiency. The manufacturing process includes increased use of recycled materials, aligning with the brand's goal of reducing its environmental impact. The plug-in hybrid model plays a significant role in promoting electrification while retaining the luxury and performance expected from the E-Class. In terms of practicality, the new E-Class offers ample interior space, making it a great choice for both daily commutes and long road trips. The trunk is generously sized, and the rear seats provide excellent legroom and headroom. The quiet cabin, thanks to improved insulation and acoustic glass, ensures a serene driving experience. Rear passengers benefit from added conveniences such as dedicated climate controls, USB-C charging ports, and optional executive-style seating for maximum comfort. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class sets a new standard in the executive sedan segment with its blend of luxury, technology, and performance. From its striking design to its advanced features and powerful yet efficient engine options, the E-Class continues to be a top contender for those who want a premium driving experience. It is a perfect choice for business professionals, families, and enthusiasts who appreciate a balance of sophistication and innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, make sure to subscribe to Motor Mania for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of cars. Thanks for watching Motor Mania.